Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off with the Morphe times James Charles palette, and I'm just grabbing this purple shade right here, and I'm just applying it all over my lid. Now taking this red shade, I'm going to be blending that purple shade we applied. Now going back with the purple shade, I'm going to be applying more just to make my eyelid a little bit darker. Now taking this yellow shade, I'm going to be going over everything, all over the edges, just to help it blend. Now taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach, I'm going to be cutting my crease. Now taking this gold shade, I'm going to be applying it on top of the concealer. Now going back with the purple shade, I'm going to be blending the gold shade and the purple shade just so everything looks really nice and blended. Moving on to my lower lash, I went ahead and I started applying the yellow shade and then the red shade, and then lastly I applied the purple shade, and I applied this with a small blending brush. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Yoselin Yahaira lashes in the style Eileen. And you guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave her information down below. She has some bomb eyelashes. So if you guys want to go ahead and check her out, I'll go ahead and leave her information down below. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, like always, please make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!